So I've been wearing my hair like this for 2 weeks, which is pretty long for me because I like to switch up my hairstyles and like that's just where I find my joy in my hair. Let me show you how I prolong my hairstyles while still being able to moisturize using the BB Curl Defining Cream. Super simple, and I'm literally just gonna use one product in water, only because I feel like the more products I mix over a long period of time, that's when I start to see like clumps and flakes. I'm gonna saturate my hair with some water. My hair is in a high puff right now. I'm not sure if you can see it. Do you see it? Tighten it. A lot of people keep asking me what I use to put my hair in a high puff. I actually use like an edge control, not an edge control, but an edge scarf, an edge wrap. What do you call that? Edge, like, you know when you like do your edges and then you lay like a wrap over it to like, I guess, set them? That's what I use. It's not stretchy really. It's just literally an edge wrap. I hope that's a term. That just sounds silly. I'm just gonna fix my wrap. And it's black, so it blends in with my hair. You literally can barely ever see it unless I'm just being lazy. Okay, so I find for my hair, and probably like most hair, you rarely ever need more product, but you probably need more water. Let me actually go fill this up. Usually too, when I do have to refill my water bottle, I always use warm water just because, like, I don't know, I feel like warm water works better with everything. But like obviously it's gonna cool down, like that's just a matter of time, but that's fine. So what I mean by that is like, if I'm like, oh, like my hair's not curling up, or like, oh, like I'm not getting the definition I want, I will add more water before I will add more product, if that makes sense. Try it, you'll see a difference. I know I did. And products can be expensive, so you're using less. So when I do this, I don't go and do every section in my puff, just because I feel like I don't really need to. Well, especially because I'm gonna be taking this style down in a couple days. Literally, maybe tomorrow. Like I need to wash my hair. It's been too long. It's been too long. But let's say like I just wanted like the definition, I would just go on the outskirts and then just like moisturize my hair quickly. You know what I'm saying? Like just a quick 1-2. But like if you feel like your hair needs like that much moisturizer, like I mean, if your hair is really due for like a full-on moisturize every crevice, you probably just need to wash it. I'm gonna go in with a lot of water and then just oh wow, that looks so good. Can you see that? Obviously it looks really long now, but like once it air dries or like I go into the diffuser, it'll shrink back up. Look at the definition. That is so cute. That's literally the process. Water, product, let it dry, done. I also go in with a lot of water because like if my hair just has tangles in it, it just makes it easier. But you know what else makes it easier? The cream. Ow. Can you see that? Smooth the product in. I'm gonna rake. Look at these curls. My hair looks so long. My hair is grown. Wow. I was not expecting that at all. I like this because sometimes I don't like using gel. Like sometimes, especially like when I just wash my hair, I don't want to go back in and put gel in it. Because like my hair is now clean. Now I want to put like heavy product in it. I don't like that. But a cream, literally a hydrator, a moisturizer, I can get behind. Yeah, it's good for that. I really need to try doing a wash and go with this cream. Water, detangle, then I'm gonna rake, no, smooth, and then I'm gonna rake. Look at that. Look at these curls. Ooh. People in the comments keep asking me what my hair type is. I'm gonna tell you. I said it before, I'll say it again. I went to a stylist, got my hair done, and she told me I have a mixture of textures. So I have a mixture of textures. She said those textures range from 3C to 4C. That is my hair type. And somebody made a good point, like, a lot of people don't usually just have one texture on their whole head. Like, I'm sure there's like a majority, but like, especially because like, I don't know, hormones and like just life, climate, I don't know. Your hair texture can change, or it does change. I'm gonna add more water. Take my defining cream. This really looks like it's about to be a whole new style. But I'm telling you, when shrinkage comes for me, she comes for me. Even though I absolutely love styling my hair, I love it. Literally my favorite thing. Recently, I just have not been wanting to, which is very unlike me, but like very much fine, like life and stuff. But this style really saved me. Like when I say I have not touched my hair in 2 weeks, and she's still thriving, like with a style like this, like with the flat twist in the front, it can really just be anything you want. Like I'll put it in a high puff, I'll let it down, I'll put it in 2 puffs. Like there's just so much. The opportunities are endless. Sometimes I'll go in with a brush. Somebody asked me in the comments, they're like, I notice you don't brush your roots, and that's because I have a really sensitive scalp, like really, really sensitive. So when I do go in to my root section, I just start using my fingers because it's just a lot less painful for me. We're almost done. Can you see that definition of my hair? I know it looks white, but like once it starts to dry up, it'll be so much better. Wow, my hair looks so long. Okay, let me get my diffuser and we will dry. The top is still very much drying, and I did my makeup. I look kind of cute, it's whatever. But I'm just gonna pin these up to the sides. That's how I've been wearing it, I like it. I was wearing it down at first, but I was like, hold on, this is cute. Pin it, tuck, cute, cute, pin it. And show my edges. I'm not really an edges girl. I don't know. I don't even know where my edge brush is. I don't know, y'all. I don't think I want to. It's not looking like I want to. I don't think I want to. It's fine. But like, ooh, it looks so good. Okay, it's not 100% dry. Usually when it is 100% dry, I'm able to like pick it more without it like falling. But it's so good. You see the curls? You see the curls popping? Okay, hold on. Let me show you up close. Look at that. Wow. No, because that looks so good. You see these pieces? That looks so good. That looks so good. Anyways, that's it. That's how I go about prolonging my styles and just redefining my curls and hydrating my hair. Looks so good. Let me know what you think. And then let me know how you do it. Like, how do you prolong your styles, or do you do your hair like really often? Yeah, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a good day. Have a good day.